All right. This is really right down my alley. We got a 68 FLH chopper. This guy rode with a bike club called the Victors out of Boston. He got this bike, I think he told me in 79. He had it out in California, then back out here, and he lives up in northern New Hampshire now. Really cool bike. The motor is all rebuilt by a really good shop down near Boston. The lower end was done too. Transmission was done, I think it was like 6 years ago he said, but maybe only 1,000 miles since. Bike starts and runs perfect, shifts perfect, operates and drives perfect. Starts up first kick. I'm not really an SU guy, but when they're working, they work good. It's got a real early wishbone frame because it's got the hook mount still. The frame is in really nice shape. I mean, it's got an old California VIN tag, but it's titled to the engine case now, like it should be. Really nice. The frame's really only messed with in the where the tank mounts were removed. Otherwise, a really nice frame. It's not welded anywhere I can see. It's definitely a real one. He's had it forever, and it's got all the casting numbers still on it, all that fun stuff. Yeah, he's got a mid-peg over here. It's a real deal, like what a club bike would look like back in the day, I suppose. Runs real strong. It's got one of those Warbird tail lights on it. Yeah, it's really a pretty cool, tough-ass bike. Frame is, usually they're way more chewed up than this. This is a nice frame. See, I'll show you. It's real. See, there's your casting number. It's even got a Goodyear skin on the back. It's got real nice bellies. Engine numbers. I believe they're matching. Correct 66 heads. Nice frame with both the loops. Yeah, man. Runs really good. I was just riding it, and it rides really good too. I mean, for a rigid old bike, it does anyways. See if I can do this with flip-flops on. You cannot ask for much better than that, can you? I mean, come the fuck on.